starting recording. So today we are going to discuss about third party process. Party process. This third party process is also called as drop shipment. Third party process is also called as drop shipment. So what is happening in third party process? So customer is placing order to company. Customer is placing order to company. But in case of third party process, due to some manufacturing constraints or due to some other constraints, company do not manufacture these products. So company will give this product to manufacture to their vendor, and the delivery is done by vendor itself. So what company will do? Company will raise purchase requisitions to vendor. Then after purchase requisition, PO will be created and it will be sent to vendor. So what vendor will do? Vendor will start manufacturing of goods and vendor directly deliver these goods to customer. Delivery will be done by vendor. So in case of third party process, can you go on mute please? So in case of third party process, vendor will do the delivery to customer directly. Okay, but invoice will be sent by company. So this is order and this is invoice. So company will send invoice to customer. Okay, so company will send invoice to customer. Now let's say customer place an order for X material 100 quantity to company. Same X material 100 quantity PRPO we raise to customer. PRPO raised to customer. But in first lot, customer only deliver 70 quantity of X material. Okay. So for how much quantity company should raise invoice to customer? 70 only, right? So customer is delivered by the vendor with this X material 70 quantity only. So invoice should be sent for X material 70 quantity only, right? So how company is coming to know that customer has delivered 70 materials? So in this case, this vendor will invoice to customer, sorry, company. So vendor will invoice to company for X material 70 quantity and same will be captured in invoice. Same will be captured in invoice. So this invoice creation by customer to company is captured in Myro transaction. So this is the transaction to capture in incoming invoices. Like company is raising invoices to customer, similarly vendor will also raise invoice to company. So company is going to pay to this vendor for 70 materials, 70 quantity, and same invoice will be sent to customer. So this is done in the transaction Myro. Okay, so this transaction is for capturing the incoming invoices. Capturing incoming invoices. Incoming invoices. Okay, so this is done with the help of transaction called as Myro. So this third party process is called as without shipping notification. Without shipping notification. So there are two types of third party process. One is without shipping notification and second one is with shipping notification. With shipping notification. So what is the difference in between two, without shipping notification and with shipping notification, and where these processes are used? So when we talk about third party process, it is always by default without shipping notification. But if someone is mentioning specifically third party process with shipping notification, then in that case only last step will be changed, that is this Miro, capturing of incoming invoices into Miro. So instead of Miro, Migo will be done. Okay, and that Migo will be dummy Migo. Because why we are not using this Miro transaction? Because some vendor, they will raise invoice to company on specific date of every month. Okay, so in that case invoice will not be created in Miro. So instead of that, they will do the dummy Migo. Okay, and they will send the delivery challan. So what will be the process flow for this? So we are seeing now with shipping notification, with shipping notification. Okay, so customer will place the order to company. Company will raise PRPO to vendor. Vendor will do the delivery to customer, and this vendor will send delivery challan, and that will be captured in Migo. You know Migo to add the stock, but as we are not doing delivery in case of this third party process, so this Migo will be called as dummy Migo. It is just to capture the how much quantity he has delivered to our customer. So that same quantity we will be capturing, and we will raise the invoice for this same quantity to our customer. So this is done when vendor is having some vendor raises some invoices on specific date of every month, specific date. Okay, so this is used in that case. But always when we talk about third party process, there should be always without shipping notification. That means what is the first process we have seen. So this is called as third party process. So for third party process, there are some couple of parameters that we need to maintain. So in master data, in material master, so first point is in material master, while creating the material master, your material type should be Hava. Material type should be equal to Hava. That means trading goods. Second one is your item category group. Item category group should be BANS. Usually we are seeing this item category group maintained as norm in material master, right? So for third party process, it should be BANS. Okay, so this is the master data that we need to maintain for using the third party process. Okay, so these are the two parameters. Now what are all other different parameters that we will see? Okay, so now we are going to see how this third party process will be performed in system. Okay, so I will log in. So transaction code will be same, that is VA01. Order type will be OR. Sales org same 1012 Customer will be same, but your material should be something. So how to find out this material that we are using for this third party process, I will tell you. So if you wanted to find out some appropriate material, so go to AC16N, go to table level MVKE. So in this table level MVKE, put your sales org as 1000. Select this, deselect all so that it will be gone. Only select material, sales org, distribution channel 12, and here in this you type control F, you do, and find out item category group. Select this one also, BANS. Okay, so if you do this, you will be able to find out the material used for third party process. So take any one material out of this list, okay, and use the same. So I have taken the second material and I am using the same. So I will do this, okay, and I will click on save. Okay, so once I save this, what system will do? System will create the purchase requisition in backend. So where we can find out that? So that purchase requisition we can find out by double clicking on item line and going to schedule lines tab, and here we can see that purchase requisition number is generated. So this purchase requisition number will be generated in case of only third party process, and where it is controlled, so it is controlled in schedule line category. So when we were discussing about schedule line category controls, at that time we saw that in schedule line category CS, which is used for third party process. So in that third party process CS, this order type NB is maintained. So what this order type NB will help us? So this order type NB will help us to create purchase requisition automatically in the backend as soon as we click the save, as soon as we save the sales order for third party process. Okay, so this purchase requisition will be created in backend due to this order type maintain as NB in schedule line category CS. So this is CS. That's why from here system is able to read that particular logic, and system is able to create the purchase requisition automatically. So once you create this purchase requisition, if you want to do some changes into this purchase requisition, you can go to ME52N. Transaction to create purchase requisition is ME51N. To change is ME52. Sorry, to create is ME51N. To change it is ME52N, and to display it is ME53N. Okay, so these are the transactions from module. Okay, ME51, ME52N, ME53N, these are transactions from materials management module. So third party process is an integration between your SD module and module. Okay, so once you enter in this change purchase requisition, so go to this purchase requisition, click on other requisition, give your number over here, whatever is generated. So we can copy our purchase requisition number from going to schedule line tabs. Here we can copy this. We can put our purchase requisition, select our purchase requisition, click on other documents. Okay, so here we can see our purchase requisition. This is our material and this is our order quantity. Okay, so this is how we can see the purchase requisition in materials management module. Now we want to create PO with reference to this purchase requisition. So to create PO, transaction is ME21N. To create purchase order, transaction is ME21N. We will go here, and what we will do, we will scroll to right. With reference to purchase requisition, we are creating purchase order. So we will paste our purchase order, purchase requisition number in this column, and we will press enter. So same materials and order quantity will be copied. This is our material. This is our order quantity. Same will be copied from our purchase, and we will click on save. So our PO number will be created. So this PO will be sent to our vendor. So according to this PO, so he will manufacture the goods and deliver to customer directly. So delivery will be done by customer. So in case of third party process, we will not do the delivery. So what will be the moment type for schedule line category in case of third party process? So for third party process, there will be no moment type because delivery is done by customer in case of third party process. So there will be no moment type. So once he deliver the goods to customer, what he will do, he will raise the invoice to company. So once he raise the once the vendor raise invoice to company, what company will do? Company will capture this incoming invoice into Myro transaction. Okay, so here we need to put company code, for which company code he has raised the invoice. Okay, and in this purchase document you have to enter, here you have to enter your order line item number, invoice date, let's say 6/7/2023, then press enter. Okay, then we have to select this, click on simulate. So amount, same amount we have to maintain, 1000. Again click on simulate. Okay, enter tax incorrect code. Okay, ignore this, click on back. Once it is in green, this field is in green, we can save this Myro. Okay, see the document has been created, that means Myro has been done successfully. Okay, so once we done with Myro, so what we will do, so we will go to VF01 directly. We will not do delivery PGI because it's already done by the customer. We will directly create invoice for our customer. So we will go to VF01. We will put our order number over here. Okay, so what was our order number? VA03 25704. So we will give our order number over here. We will press enter and we will create the billing document. So this is how the OTC flow will be there for third party process. Okay, there are some transactions involved in this. Okay, so we need to understand this from integration point of view. Okay, so how this PR is created in backend automatically, that I explained. So it is controlled in Vivo V6, and here this will be your CS, schedule line category CS for third party. This is NB. Now, what is the significance of this item category 5? So when we will use second third party process, that is third party with shipping notification, and in that case we will do the Myro instead of Mygo. We will do Myro. Instead of Myro we will do Migo. So in that case, this item category 5, what it will do, it will treat that Mygo as a dummy Mygo. It will treat that Mygo as a dummy Mygo, and due to which there will be no any stock addition perform in the system. Okay, because we are not taking any stock, the stock will be delivered to customer directly by vendor. So this Mygo will be considered as dummy Mygo, and this is controlled in item category 5 schedule line. Item category 5 under schedule line, it will control that. Also, what is this account assignment group? This account assignment group will help us in generating accounting entries. So in case of third party process, this accounting entries will not be generated when we will receive the Mygo or Myro. Okay, so this is the inventory accounting document entries that will not be generated. So it is controlled with the help of this account assignment category 1. Okay, for third party you can see 5 and 1 item category 1. Now let's see couple of controls from item category Vivo V7. So item category for third party process is PAS. Okay, so this billing relevance is F. What is this billing relevance F? F. Order related billing status according to invoice quantity. So third party process is order related billing and status according to invoice quantity. Which invoice quantity? That same invoice quantity we captured into Myro, right? So that billing will be done according to that invoice quantity, whatever captured in my row. We have seen after creation of PO, we did the my row. So that billing quantity will be captured in our invoice created in VF01 transaction. So when you will be using the third party with shipping notification, your billing relevance should be G, order related billing of the delivered quantity. So that will be captured from MIGO in case of second process, third party with shipping notification. Okay, usually this is used most widely F only, status according to invoice quantity. So this is the control in billing relevance. How your item category determination will take place? So in VO V4, your item category determination will be takes place in this manner: order type OR and item category group BANS. So order type OR and item category group BNS will help us to determine item category TAS into sales document. So into sales document, if you see VA03, the item category is TAS for third party process. Okay, TAS. Now we will see schedule line category determination. For item category task and material type blank, so your item schedule line category will be CS. Schedule line category will be CS. CS. Okay. So this is how your item category and schedule line determination will take place. So this is all about your third party process. Okay.